Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Lisa from Patsy Fighter and I'm so glad you joined me for another haul video today. So this is part of my big birthday haul from scrapbookwerkstatt.de, and this is the flip through of the MAMBI 12 by 12 inch pocket pages kit, the black and white kit. And I'm gonna what am I gonna start with? Let's just start with the very well adhered, and I just lost a sticker. Let's just put it here, and I just saw that there are lots of stickers. They're not really, no, they don't really stick anymore because there's so much glitter. So there is the glitter sticker sheet. So there is this page. Then there are some transparent stickers. There's that. And then there are also, just gonna, sorry for the noise, there's another glitter sticker. Just gonna put that on here. No, it doesn't stay. Okay, whatever. So these are some word stickers and also some alphas, just very simple ones. And this is the album now. I don't think I have to put it out. Does that work? Yes. And so you get 10 pocket pages in here. And I flipped through the album in my other video of the colorful one, so you can check that out. I will have it linked up here and in the description box below, so you can check it out. Sorry. So, just gonna remove this. Sorry. So let's start with the big journaling cards. So, let's just do a quick flip through. Just love. Take pride in how far you have come and have faith in how far you can go. It's cute. Keep a smile on your face and a song in your heart. Enjoy the little things. Fabulous. What I love most about my home is who I share it with. That's cute. Be you. Learning to live in the moment, in the present moment, is part of the path of joy. Follow your heart. One kind word can change someone's entire day. Dream big. A little step may be the beginning of a great journey. You're my sunshine. Grateful. Life is good. I think yes. So there are those. And then these are the glitter specialty cards. Excuse me. So much glitter. So there's that one, You Rock My World, and also this one. And I'm going to put them back immediately because of the glitter. And then we have this pack. I like that they're just black and white. I really do like it because you can just use it on every layout. Two of those. Grateful. Today I'm thankful. That pack, and then let's do these specialty cards. So these are the foiled ones. Fun for everyone. Polka dots and life is good. Sorry. Oh, these are cute. Get 2 of those, and then 4 of chevron ones, and 3 polka dots, and 3 of these. So yeah, that's the MAMBI kit in black and white. So, oops. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in my next haul video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!